Yo, good morning, bruh. Good morning, morning. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing another recap from yesterday. Yesterday was a good day to trade, and even though it was Friday, I entered, but I got stopped out on both. But I'm gonna break it down as to why I got stopped out. But the reason being on the German 30 trade, which is a clean trade, by the way. Um, Price broke a level of buys and then it indicated, then it corrected, and now we're in the continuation phase. So I entered based off just market structure alone, kind of how side does it. So I saw lower highs, lower highs. I'm like, nah, I'm gonna enter here because it's a lower high now. But then the problem is I put my stop loss above that that recent lower high that I entered off of, and price came and corrected again to that level before dropping again, and it stopped me out. So I should have set my stop loss above the previous lower high, not the current one that I entered off of. And then yeah, I lost. But then I was like, in heavy profits, I doubled my account with the first trade. I was like, nah, I wanted to hit my TP. I didn't want to close because I'm trying to master the thing of like taking what the market gives me, but because I know it's gonna go to that level. You understand? So I didn't fear. Like I just put my phone away. My phone was dying anyway, so I was like, nah, let me just keep my phone away. I was on the way to Cent in that time, and it's so crazy, man. Being like, um, like being in a trade, and you're calling it right, and you're making money, and you're just in a dope ass environment, bro. You're just seeing people with cars, nice houses, apartments, and it's like, yeah, bro. I definitely see myself there. Yeah, Livonia, Madison Square. I want to be there, bro. That's where I want to stay. That's where I'm gonna make sure I stay. Like once everything pans out and I'm profitable and I move to a better environment. But for now, take it baby steps, baby steps. Not. I'm not too. I'm excited, man. Like it just made me feel like anything's possible. And I won't lie, when I lost those trades, and then I was reviewing, I was like, damn. A part of me is like, maybe you don't know what you're doing, bro. And it's like, nah, nigga, I know what I'm doing. And I'm looking at like, I'm walking to the taxis now by McDonald's because I was gonna take an Uber back here. It's expensive. And I'm like, nah, man. So I had that little bit of doubt creep in. I'm like, no, 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 no. These are not my thoughts, bro. I can see that I may feel this way because I lost a trade, but it's like, I deserve this. I am going to be profitable. I am going to make it. Like, I am profitable. I am successful. And then I read um, I think I said it in the video. Oh, I did say it in another video. But anyway, I said it in the video that I'm going to post tomorrow. I read my note that I have at the back that success is, a man is successful if he's working towards a predetermined goal and he's actively realizing this goal every day. So I'm doing that every day, and I'm reading it, bro. Like I am telling myself, planting the right seeds. Like, no, I got this. I made a mistake. I learned from it. I know what to do next. I'm not gonna repeat the same mistake. I called the trade right because it went my way. It's not like I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing, and I know that this skill is gonna bring me back here. It's gonna bring me back to those places that I saw yesterday for the first time. I want to stay there. I'm already manifesting this. I'm telling you now, bro. You're gonna be staying there. You're gonna, you're gonna be staying there. You're gonna be staying there. You're gonna be living the life. See, being in sentence for you will be normal. Like it'll be normal for you. So it's like, oh, you go there for inspiration. Yes, you go there for inspiration, but then it'll be like, okay, everyone here has money, or money is here, right? So you are where the money is at. You understand? So yeah, man. There's really no way I can fail, bro. The only way I fail is if I quit and I've got God by my side, and there's no way I'm gonna lose with Him, bro. Because I'm not gonna stop doing this. But yeah, also another trade, to gold. It was same thing, indicated below level, but then I didn't it. I only went off the rejection of the candle wick. I didn't let it correct into that level. So I learned that, okay, yeah, that was a B plus setup. So you see, setups like that I don't want to really take. I want to take the A plus setups rather, because yeah. So B plus, I really wouldn't want to do it because the German 30 was an A plus setup. That was like a plus setup. Gold is a B plus. I was in profits for a bit, but then I ultimately got stopped out. So it was still correcting anyway. It didn't finish correcting because it still didn't break that hourly lower high that we had. Yeah, gold's gonna be selling, bro. German day's gonna be selling. Thank God we still have some structure to trade. So yeah, let me break it down. Yeah, brother. So this is the trade, bro. This was the cleanest trade you're gonna see ever in your life. A plus setups the whole way, bro. So you could see price made that high that we had here. Here. But then now we know that okay, it broke this level of buyers here. See that? Broke the level of buyers here. So okay, indicated. Then it corrected. Session kicked in around 9, just played around, giving us a lower high, because it's lower than that one. Then started pushing down. So I'm like, okay. But I missed this trade. I missed the initial push because I would have entered off of this. This is where I put this profit thingy. Okay, it was somewhere because I scaled to the 5 minute. So I saw that lower high on the 15 minute, but I'm like, nah, this thing is still gonna move down. So had I seen this initially, I wouldn't have been stopped out because this thing, bro, why is it slow, bro? Okay, hold on. About that, Jesus, I don't know what happened. So I would have entered off of this, you see, 5 minute, and then put my stop. This is where I should have put my stop loss had I caught the initial move. But I didn't see this. I saw price just move down. I'm like, fuck, I could have entered off of this candle because this was a lower high. And this was like so easy to see, bro, because it's like equal highs, move down. Moved up, sellers kicked in. Off of this 5 minute candle closure, I would have entered off of this, bro. No drawdown whatsoever. Then would have hit my TP, bro. Then I'm like, okay, fine. No, it's cool. Then I saw this. I'm like, okay, shit. Now I'm going to enter off of this. Then I entered here. Then I put my stops here, just above this level. Then it pushed down as in good profits. Came back to correct again. Stopped me out with this wick, only for it to go down again. And I was like, shit, man. I would have caught it at the same. My entry was basically the same. This was like a clean sniper, bro. A plus setup, bro. A plus, bro. Clean setup, bro. Clean, bro. I'm so mad that I didn't see this. But I kind of told myself I wanted to be off the charts, but I should have just kept checking in case. Even though I don't want to trade Fridays or trade Fridays if there's no setups, but this setup was, oh, bro, the setup was amazing, bro. And then just dropped Drake candles galore, bro. Now it's here at this level. So now I put my so I expect Monday for it to correct, come back up here. Then it'll just range for a bit. Then come Tuesday, we're gonna start coming. So once I see structure here, I'm gonna enter and then just target wherever it stops here, you know. But I'm glad that at least we're done with the highs now. Now we're moving back down, giving us more structure. So that was an A plus setup. And you see A plus setups, it moves back into that indication level, giving us a proper lower high, not just candle rejections and stuff. It needs to move into that level to give us a lower high or a higher low or whatever the case is, depending on how the structure is. And this thing is taking long to show me the gold charts. Let me pause it again. Okay, we're back. So you see, I entered off of this candle, which I shouldn't have, because I saw it move up here, then started making low highs, and I entered somewhere here. I was in profits for a bit, but then it wasn't done. Then it started correcting again. So this week, I'm assuming took me out. This was like probably news or something, I don't know. And then yeah, then it came back up here. So it needs to come back up here, probably somewhere here, where there's I don't know if there's saddle setting. No, there's no saddle setting here. But ultimately giving us a lower high. So once it starts pushing downwards, and I see structure that will be turning bearish again, I'm gonna enter off of that and then target these lows again. So you see, I set my alerts for here. This is gonna be an A plus setup as well. Trust me. Next week it's gonna sell off. If it doesn't and it keeps moving up, then it's fine. Charge it to the game. But then I know once anything comes below this level, I'm gonna target this. So yeah, man. These are the trades, man. This is just getting easier and easier.